Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I have an Erin Condren unboxing for you. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so for anything like me and you love Erin Condren, I always try and say like I'm only gonna get the planner with a few accessories, and then once I get it, I kind of get like, oh, I want this and I want this and I want this, and that's exactly what happened. Now, originally I had forgotten to add something to my order. It was out of stock for quite a while. So when I went back to go and get it, I couldn't just get one thing. That's crazy. So I am going to show you exactly what I got. They're all accessories. I already got my planner. If you'd like to see what planner I got and what other accessories I've already received, I'll link that video down below. But let's take a look. Always so cute, the packaging, the pink box, a little smushy. I just love the little cards. They're technically, I guess, postcards, but I always put them up in my office for motivation. This one says, forget the mistakes, remember the lessons. And then always just a cute little to and from sticker. And I also keep these in my planner just in case I forget a card, or I go and get a bottle of wine or something like this. I have these little to and from stickers I can give out. So let's see, I kind of forgot everything I got. So it's not a huge order, but I did pick up the colorful dual tip markers and just kind of the standard colors. I have a set of just like, not the pastels, but the like regular bold colors. And then I have 3 of the one that came in the summer surprise box, which were fluorescent. So I thought I'd pick up, I like the black and the blue, and it comes with the red. So I just like love the box that they come in also. I just think it's like so cute and a good way to hold pens. So there's that. I also picked up the Well Kept, the wipes for your glasses, computer screens, tablets, phones, and I just thought these would be really good to have. They're also good for cleaning the dry, is it wet erase? For dry erase, dry erase stuff from Erin Condren. So I just thought they were cute. Okay, I also picked up these really cute little sticky tabs with they have these little tabs which I thought were really cute to put stuff down, and then you can also kind of put a little reminder on the side, so if you need to like go back to look at it, you know exactly where it's at and what it's regarding. So I thought that could be really cute. I also picked up just a pack. I think there's only one sheet. Yeah, it's one sheet of the habit trackers. You get, oh, they're really long. I'm trying to see how many per sheet there are. Okay, so it's just like one long one. I kind of thought they were like little squares, and you can use them that way. You can always just like cut the sticker, which I'll probably do, and I just thought they'd be good to try out. You can also get them customized. I didn't, because I do actually just want to see how they'll work, but like you can use them for working out, packing your lunch, drinking your water. So they were just a few dollars, and I thought I'd just try these out and see how I like them. Also, I got this. Now, this summer I thought I was going to learn how to do like calligraphy, pretty writing, so I purchased like the pens and like a practice workbook. I got through like 1 page. Well, see. But here are these really cute like calligraphy stencils that I thought would be just really cute to like put my name in, or to like put stuff in the planner. So they're just clear and you can just kind of put them in. So I just thought that'd be kind of fun. Probably will never use it because that's the way it rolls with most accessories that I get. This is actually what I had forgotten to add to my cart in my first order, and that's the sticky notes, and they're this year's teachers ones. I'm obsessed with them, you guys. Can you see those? How cute are those? I just love the colors. I love that there's full, half, grid. Like, I just really like these, and I think I'll use these. I also like was going through my Erin Condren, and I have 2 other packets of, obviously not these exact ones, but different patterns from previous years that I never really get through, but I'm really hoping I do. I really love that they say like today, note to self, memo. I really I really, really like them. And then for giggles, I got the sticker book, Always a Reason to Celebrate. And this is kind of like the monthly sticker collection. And I thought I'd just try it out. Again, I haven't used them before, but I just thought they were kind of cute and kind of fun to like celebrate. Like here's January, so we head into, let's see, we're heading into September, and I have the neutral, so they'll all kind of go. Let's see what August is. August is cute little like donut theme. I just thought it'd be just kind of fun. If I don't use them, I guess I don't use them, but I should try. And December is so cute. Just like thought for some of the holidays like October, it'd be fun to kind of decorate either the monthly or a few little weekly things. So we will see how that goes. And then lastly, I got this Snap and Grid, Snap and Dashboard. I got the teacher one, and then I got another one. And these are, I did get the pens, the new thin pens that go with it, but I thought the teacher one was so cute. I'm not exactly sure that this would be functional for me, but I just loved it so much because it's copies. Like if we made copies of stuff, I don't make that many copies. Grade, I teach special education, preschool, there's no grading to be done, but I do grade at my college level, but I don't use a planner for that. Contact, so contact would be good. To buy would be good, and then just like looking ahead. I just thought this year they did a really nice job of being really thoughtful with the teacher stuff. And I just think it's cute. I just really, really like it. And then I got one that I thought would be a little bit more functional for me, and that is the just a like plain, just kind of like to-do list. It says, if you can believe it, I can achieve it. Not if you can believe it, if I can believe it, I can achieve it. And it just has more of just like, it's blank and all of the things that you can kind of write down, and I just feel like that was a little bit more functional, but I just like couldn't really pass up this. And one thing I thought would be kind of good, even if I didn't use this inside my planner, I cannot talk today, I could put this just on my desk and use it, and then like stop using so many post-its. I use so many post-its and sheets of paper that this can help me to do like a to-do list, and have a running to-do list and be able to have it on my desk and not waste so much paper. So I thought I'd give those a try. So that is my Erin Condren haul. I love Erin Condren. If you have not tried out Erin Condren, if you have not yet tried out Erin Condren and any of their amazing things, I will put a referral link down below for $10 off your first order. You should definitely go check it out. I love her stuff. I've been using them for years, and it's not just planners. There's a lot of other stuff and accessories that you might be interested in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.